Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have AllTrue. That's right, I got my AllTrue. I believe this is the summer box. Let's hope it's the summer box. We'll find out when we get in here. I will say one thing about AllTrue. They always have a very nice decorated box. And it's all over, it's not just on the front. So I do like their colorful display. If you don't know about AllTrue, AllTrue is a quarterly box that you can receive over $250 worth of items, and the cost is $69.95 a quarter, and it's billed quarterly, and you can receive, like I said, up to $250 worth of items, up to 6 to 8 full-size items. You get exclusive access into their members-only market, and you get access to discounted daily use household items and new essentials shop that they have. And it just renews every quarter. And then if you want to do an annual, you can get it for $64.95. They bill you all at once for $259 annually. You save $20 per year on your membership. You get to customize every product in your box, and you have access to the same market, and you have access to choice, and you get to add extra products from each customization category. Now, I don't think you get to do that in the regular. And like I said, that breaks down to $64.95 a quarter. Now, I got mine at a really good deal whenever they had rebought or resurfaced and got through the bankruptcy. I don't know all the deals and anything that went along with it, but I do know that the new owners offered a great deal, and I took them up on it. And I think I have one more box to fulfill that contract. But they do have the AllTrue magazine, and I will say that I like that. They have kept up with the magazine, and this one is actually in glossy slick paper. And this is probably some of the items that we could have chose. And yeah, I think that's what it's doing. It's showing us some of our items, and it's probably going to tell us what was in customization number 1, so on and so on. Okay, it looks like that we had a choice in customization number 1. We had 5 choices, and what we could have chose was an indigo beach round towel. We could have chose a large hydration jug, a set of 3 petal trays, a make lemon pitcher, and a seaside summer wrap. And I don't remember what I picked. We do our customization so far back that it's just hard to remember what I picked, but I see what I picked. I decided to get the indigo beach roundy towel. This is an Enchanty Home. It's an $85 value. It's a vibrant natural tie-dye and made with acrylic fibers. So let's get it out of here and take a better look. And guys, I don't know what's going on with my lights. I know sometimes I have my beaming lights down, and I've tried to do all kinds of things to make that go away, but it ain't happening today. But we're gonna still get in here and see what we have. I love the colors. I will say I like indigo blue. And we've got the Enchanty Beach Roundy Towel. And like I was telling you, it is a tie-dye, and it's got recycled fibers. This oversized towel doubles as a beach blanket, picnic tablecloth, or an afternoon shawl. Enchanty, it combines traditional creation with original design to share the beauty of Turkish textiles. So this was made in Turkey, and guys, this is really nice. And it does have like the towel feel on this side, like for some absorption. And then on this side, it's nice and soft. So if you're sitting on the ground and you've got it down for a picnic, it's just gonna be wonderful. And I'm glad I made that choice. And this was an $85 value. The large hydration jug was $40. The set of wood petal trays was $76. The make lemon pitcher was a $70 value. And I think Arlene with Unboxing with Arlene got that if you want to take a look at it. And seaside summer wrap for $60. And of course, we know what I picked. And it was an $85 value, and I'm very happy with that. Now, in our second customizations, we had 7 choices, and these choices were nectar sunshades for $59, We could have picked a set of 2 dry wet pouches for a $50 value, nesting food containers, and that was a $24 value, Simply Delicious cookbook, and that was by Caitlin Shoemaker, and that was a $27.50 value. House Beautiful Live Colorfully color table book by Jonna Saltz, and that was Abram Books, and it was a $40 value. We could have picked True Moringo, that was a $48 value, and that was a set of 3 tinted lip whips. And then we could have picked a quilted foam crossbody sling, and that was a $48 value, and I'm not sure what I picked. I think I picked the nesting food containers. A small house, $24 value, and this was colors in charcoal or sage, and I guess I picked the sage color because that's what color it looks like to me. And they're nesting stainless steel bowls, and there's a set of 3. Okay, yeah, inside there's a set of 3. I'm going to keep it intact because you never know, I may end up giving these out. But it is a $24 value, and it says, for packing a summer snack, storing leftovers, or shopping in bulk, try these stackable and endlessly reusable stainless steel containers. Small Hours empowers people to eliminate single-use products and build healthier habits for people and the planet. And I will say I probably will use these because I don't like keeping things in plastic, and I have been going more towards sustainable products. They're very nice, I will have to say that. I'm glad that I chose that, and I may end up keeping them. Okay guys, the next thing is customization number 3, and we could have chosen the dotted umbrella for a $40 value, thick gold hoops for $38 value, multi-purpose silicone lid for $23 value, cosmetic zip case for $20, personal popper for $20, and a rose serenity necklace. Sanctuary Project is the ones that created this, and that's what I picked, was the Sanctuary Project, and ironically this would go with the blouse that I have on here. This here is a rose quartz and is known for dissolving emotional wounds, fears, and resentments, and evoke gentle feelings of love and safety. 100% of Sanctuary Project jewels sales go directly to providing more job opportunities and training to survivors. So I really like that it gives back. And it says we are a nonprofit social enterprise providing meaningful employment and training to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addictions. Oh, that's really nice. I'm glad that they do that. That's wonderful. And I think this necklace is beautiful, actually. I'm going to take it out of the package so y'all can get a better look at it. And this was a $48 value, but isn't that pretty? It's just simple, but so elegant and so pretty, and like I said, it'll go with what I have on today. Very nice. On to customization number 4. In this one, we had a mesh market tote set. I didn't get that. We had a Headbands of Hope, and that was 2 knotted headbands. We had Nice Buns booty polish for $48. We had Golden Sunshine Babe body polish for $48. We had Waffle Weave kitchen towels for $12, a set of 3. We had Moon Boost Lash Brow Enhancer, a $76 value. And I can tell you right now, I picked, and I'm surprised that I picked it, but I picked the headbands. Surprise! That's what's in here, so that must have been what I picked. And, I do use headbands on Mass Monday, but let's take a better look at these. They are made out of cloth. And they're Headbands of Hope. So I might have gotten them because it's helping another charity. And it says, for every item sold, a headband is given to a child with an illness. Your purchases create hashtag moments like this. And then it shows a little picture of a little child that is probably sick and in the hospital. So that is why I chose these. It's kind of like giving back. And I did think they were cute. And they are made out of some nice fabric as far as the covering around it, and I would say they're going to fit really nice. Yeah, Very nice for holding the hair back. And it's got a yellow one and a blue one. And let's see what it says. And they were $35 value, and it says, pretty headbands with a prettier cause. Founded by Jess Ekstrom to bring smiles to children battling cancer. Headbands for Hope has donated over 1 million headbands to every children's hospital in America and 22 countries. Wow, that's pretty cool. So that's another neat item. I'm glad I got it. And on to customization number 5. Now with this, we could have got an XOXO $10 value of an ice cream scoop. We could have got a natural wood dryer balls for $14. We could have gotten an everyday essential travel swabs, and that would have been like $14.99. It was called Green Goo. We could have got cucumber and mint deodorant for a $12 value. We could have got a beeswax wraps, and those are the wax wraps that you can put fruit and things and cheese in. We could have got the Anti-Puff Hydrating Eye Mask, and that was by Grace and Stella. And guess what? That's what I got. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, and it's Grace and Stella. There we go. And this is the Anti-Puff and Hydrating Eye Mask. Oh yeah, and this here was a $30 value. The one other item we could have gotten was a nightly cleansing balm. And I probably would have liked that too, but I knew Grace and Stella was a nice brand and their eye masks are really nice, so I wanted to get a whole set of those. So very good, $30 value. And then customization number 6, we could have got the blue clay mask by Mud Masky for $59 value. We could have got the Daily Concepts exfoliating mitt for $16. We could have gotten a face and body shimmer spray for a $16, and that was by Rachel Couture. We could have gotten a basil grow kit, and this was a Buzzy Seeds, and it was a $10 value. We could have gotten a Daily Fix elderberry and vitamin E lip oil, and I probably would have liked that too. It was a $15 value. And then we could have gotten the Replenish hand cream by Cosmetics, and that's a $25 value. And I probably had a hard time between the Cosmetics and the Mud Masky, because both of them are very good brands, but I had so many hand creams, I decided to go with the clay mask. And this is Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay, and it's pore refinding, smoothing, firming, tightening, and brightening. And I can use all of those. That's right, at my age, I need some help. So guys, that was my box, and I'm gonna have to say overall, I'm very happy with it. I want to show you a couple more things they have in here. Look at this cherry caprese salad. Doesn't that look delicious? They do give us some recipes, and I love things like that. That looks like a Greek salad to me. It says it's a savory, vibrant, and refreshing recipe. Takes 2 of our favorites and seasoned fruits, cherries and fragrant tomatoes, and pairs them with earthy garden basil, creamy burrata to create the perfect summertime salad. But here's the recipe, all you'll need if you want to snapshot it. That's what it's going to look like possibly, and then there's the recipe, and that looks very good. And it was cherry caprese salad. Very, very nice. So you get some good things in here. It talks about some of the true purposes for some of the purchases that you're making and what it can do for everybody. All the collaborations that they do with the different vendors and companies that help out other people. So it's just a variety of information. It's a nice magazine. I'm glad to see that not all the boxes have quit putting out a nice little magazine, and I like that AllTrue gives us a total list with the prices of everything in our box and what we could have gotten. So as a recap, I got these wonderful headbands, which I'm really gonna like and use, and I like the colors. They really are a summer looking color. I got my Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. I got my Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. I got my stainless steel Small Hours 3. There's a set of 3 nesting containers that I can use to be sustainable and not be using plastic. And then I got my big old towel here. And guys, this is big, and it's a big roundy, and I love the color. So it's no wonder I picked that. And I chose this beautiful necklace. So what's your favorite? Do you have one? I mean, I like my skincare I got. I really like everything that I got. I'm going to have to say mine is going to be the necklace and the towel. I really did like this towel, but you let me know what your favorite is, and would AllTrue be something that you would consider? Like I said, you do get a $250 value for your $65, $70 that you spend, which is kind of nice. And I think I got my value out of this box. You let me know what you think. Now, that's all I have today for the AllTrue, and like I said, I have one more that'll be for fall, and I'll be sure to bring it to you all. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways and or information about AllTrue. I do have my Temu PartyTime Christmas in July that's going through August 25th, and the links will be down in my description, as well as it's possible that the Dollar Tree train is out and you can be joining into that. That's 11 channels, 11 giveaways. But anyways, as for today and AllTrue, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.